which of the following is equivalent to, we can write the question, 6x square y plus 6xy square. Here is some option, we have to find out the right one. If we simplify this one, look, here is 6, here is 6, so we can take common 6. Here is x square and here is x, so we also can take common x. Here is y and here is y square, we can take common y. So what will happen? 6 divide 6, 1, so it will be out. X square divide x, it means here is x. Y divide y, so we cannot use y. Plus 6 divide 6 out, x divide x out, y square divide y, it means here is y. So our answer is 6xy times x plus y. It means this one is number A. Okay, so question 1 done. Question 2. If a is greater than 0, then 1 by a plus 3 by 4 is equivalent to which of the following? So we can make LCM. So it's a simple thing, 4a. So 4a divide a, it will be 4, so we can write here 4 plus 4a divide 4, so here is a, 3 times a, it will be 3a. So which one is similar? 3a plus 4a, it's not. 4 plus 3a divide 4a, so it's a number B is our right answer. Next, number 3. Here is which of the following is equivalent to, here is, we can write x square plus y times y plus z. Okay, so how we can simplify this one? First, x square times y, it will be x square y, then plus x square z plus y square and plus yz. So which is similar? X square y, x square z, y square and yz. So this is number B. So we can write x square z, and here is number B. So we are trying to solve 3 math. It's very important for third exam preparation and also important for any kinds of competitive examination. So please take care of this and don't neglect these types of math. You should practice at home. Homeschooling is the best schooling. So my channel name is MathJip. I hope you will subscribe my channel, and every day you will get these kinds of math from my channel. Thank you.